Ever wondered how to make Hainan chicken rice with an irresistible twist? This isn't just your regular Hainanese chicken. We're using an air fryer to create perfectly crispy skin with juicy, tender meat inside. Paired with fragrant rice and mouth-watering signature sauces, this dish will take your taste buds on a whole new adventure. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Prepare 50 grams of chicken breast or chicken thigh. Pat the chicken dry with a kitchen towel. Grate 2 cloves of garlic and rub it evenly over the chicken. Trim any excess fat or long pieces of skin and set them aside. Add 1/2 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Mix well and coat evenly. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour or refrigerate overnight for better flavor. While waiting, rinse the rice under running water until clear. Slice 2 thumbs of ginger thinly and finely chop, 5 cloves of garlic. Lightly crush the ginger to release its aroma. Heat a pan and add a small amount of oil. Place the trimmed chicken skin or fat into the pan and cook over low heat until crispy to render the chicken fat. This step will enhance the flavor of the Hainanese rice. Once the chicken skin is crispy, remove it and add the ginger slices and chopped garlic to the pan. Sauté until fragrant. Add the rinsed rice into the pan, along with a pandan leaf for added fragrance, and stir fry until well mixed. Transfer the rice to a rice cooker. Then add chicken stock or mix 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder with water. Add a pinch of salt and cook the rice as usual. For the chicken coating, prepare a bowl and mix 60 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pop rice powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and pepper. Now we're making the dipping sauces. Prepare 2 bowls. In the first bowl, combine chopped shallots, grated ginger, soy sauce, and sesame oil. In the second bowl, mix chopped green onions, grated ginger, salt, and sugar. Stir both sauces until combined. Heat a small amount of cooking oil until hot. Then pour 3 tablespoons of hot oil into each bowl of sauce and mix well. The dipping sauces are now ready. Back to the marinated chicken. Coat the marinated chicken in the dry flour mixture. Make sure to coat the chicken evenly on the surface. Prepare a wet batter by mixing the remaining dry flour with water. Dip the coated chicken into the wet batter, ensuring every part is covered. Finally, place the chicken in the air fryer basket. Cook the chicken in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or about 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Flipping halfway through to ensure even cooking. Use a rice paddle or a clean spoon to gently stir the rice. The rice is ready. Once the fried chicken is done, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Serve it with fragrant rice and dipping sauces. This air fryer Hainan chicken rice brings the signature garlic and ginger aroma of classic Hainanese cuisine while adding a modern twist with crispy fried chicken. The difference? The crispy chicken has a crunchy coating that makes every bite more exciting compared to the traditional poached chicken. Don't forget to pair it with the signature dipping sauces for an even richer flavor. Try this recipe at home, share your experience in the comments, and taste the delicious twist for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next recipe video!